In this video, we will go over how to sell dedication pages or ads and add them to your yearbook. Right now, we are on the main homepage of our yearbook project. To navigate to the New Sales section, click the Sell dropdown on the navigation bar. To go directly to your ad sales, click Manage Ad Sales to take you to the online sales dashboard. This menu will show you what ads are in progress, what ads have been paid for, and what still needs to get approved. To get started on selling ads, click the Set Up Ad Pricing button. This will take you to a new window to adjust your pricing, but before we can do any of that, we need to turn our store on. Click the drop-down and hit Yes to enable ad sales. If you scroll down, you'll see that you can sell various sizes of ads, including full-page ads, half pages, and so on. You can set the price for each size to suit your needs and enable or disable certain sizes. We also offer business ads of the same sizes, so you can adjust the price for sponsors differently than for parents. After going through and deciding what you want to sell, what you will want to do next is decide how many pages you want to use for your ads. By entering in a page count, this will tell the store to close sales once that page limit has been met. Just like yearbook sales, you can also set a deadline for when the store closes. The date that you pick is the date that the store will close. Be sure to save your changes using the Save Settings button whenever you make a change to your store. Typically, the parents will be the ones designing their own ads, so the option to not allow a sale without a design is turned on by default. If you're the ones making the ads, you can collect ad sales without parents designing anything. So to allow this feature, click the drop-down and select Enable Purchase without design. To see how your store looks, click the Home button or go to Sell and click Setup Link. You'll notice a blue URL, which is the link that takes your parents directly to your school store. Before sending this link to your parents, you can also customize this link to give it a better name. You can click Set Up Dedicated URL to change how the link looks. Just type in your school name, abbreviation, or the year of the book, as long as it is distinguishable from your previous school store links. To see more about purchasing a book as a parent, click the link in this guide to take you to the other help page. Once you've sent out the link to your parents, they can begin creating their ads and submitting them to your yearbook project. Once they submit their ads, they will show up as paid at the bottom of the dashboard, along with a blue link next to the thumbnail. By clicking a link of an ad, you can see a preview of it before approving. Once you've given it a thumbs up, you can exit the preview and click the Approve button on the right to finalize it. Finally, once ads have been approved by you, the advisor, it's time to place them on your pages. Let's move to the designer. On the left-hand side of the designer, you can see a button that says Ads. By clicking this, it will show you ads that are approved, ads that have already been placed in the book, and ads that need to be updated. Just click and place your ad, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to contact us for any questions and suggestions. See you next time.